Well, we are coming into beautiful Gold Beach, Oregon. It's on the coast. There is their historic bridge right there. And this is the Gulf River, or the Rogue River. It is the river that flows right down the road from our house, and the water from our creek actually is in that water right there that you're looking at. And the river flows 150 miles away from where we're at to here. This town, Gold Beach, and another town that's 35 miles upstream are the last two towns that the United States Postal Service has boats that delivers mail to the residents of those two towns, here and Agnes. But check out this cool bridge. We love these old bridges. This is the Rogue River we're driving over right now. And there's the Pacific Ocean over there. So here we are on another day to escape the smoke. Come to a new place, and we're on the coast.
And we even had a little bit of rain, which was just lovely.
Yes, we had some beautiful rain, nice temperatures. You can breathe the air. It was a beautiful day. Look at the seagull. See it?
One of them just caught a pelican just caught a fish.
Wow.
I don't know if I caught it.
I don't know how long you want to do
That is it.
That's it. Y'all guys have a good day. We are.
There's the pelican.
Yeah, I see it. Tomcat Hill Road.
Oh, there's a bunch of pelicans over there. There was a bunch of something in the water.